Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Okay, as you can see in the background, Stefano is home, so you'll be hearing those background noises from him. He's actually a little bit busy. This is my second take on this video. Something happened to my camera, so we're doing this video over again.
Wait. Ham's life, take two.
Okay guys, so today Stormy is over here. I have Mia back here. Little Mia, she wants some love today. So we are going to start this haul off. Alright, so we have found that going to the Dollar Tree is keto friendly for us. There's a lot of things that we can get there that we normally didn't think about before our diet. It's actually not really a diet, it's a lifestyle. We are finding like the ingredients and stuff were just crazy now that we're reading everything. I mean everything from butter, flour, and there's so many juices you can't even drink juice anymore. Forget about juice. But it's interesting, and it is our #1 goal is to get healthy. It's not really to be fit or to lose weight, it's to be healthy. When Stefano had his little diagnosis about, having diabetes, we really needed a change. It scared me enough to look into things to change our lifestyle. So even at the Dollar Tree, I can still be keto friendly, which I'm very excited about. So this is a smaller haul than we're used to because I didn't buy all those goodies, but I did buy a lot of items that we did need. And some new makeup items. I found new makeup, guys. So I will start off by showing you, I guess I could show you the things that we buy for our keto lifestyle. Now, this is our second take, so in between that, Stefano has already used our bacon that I got, but I'll put a picture of the bacon in here for you. And also I got some feta cheese also, and that is pretty good, but that's in a refrigerator, so I will show you a picture of that. There's this new water here, and it's alkaline water and electrolytes. It's Alka 65. So we did get 2 of these. It is really important that you keep your electrolytes up, because you could get the keto flu really easily if you're not watching your potassium and your electrolytes. You really need to do that. The second day I wasn't feeling so hot. I had a really bad headache, and once I drank some of that, I was fine. Also, what helps me is some beef bouillon cubes. If I have one of them, it actually helps me a lot because of the sodium in it, I think. Stefano got himself some McCormick bacon pieces. This is the apple smoked wood. He can have these. That's the perfect thing about keto. You can have all this stuff. So it's a very tasty lifestyle. So he got these for himself. I'm not too fond of these. These are not my favorite, but he did get them. Needed some black pepper, so we got a can of that. Let me see. Everything's all over the place because, like I said, I'm sorry, this is the second time. Oh, here's the feta cheese. So I got the feta cheese. This is 3 ounces. So I did get a nice big thing of crumbled feta. However, it was fat-free, and I would rather stay away from the fat-free because they put stuff in it to make it fat-free. So this is Greek style traditional. So 3 ounces, that's good. And then I got us some coconut oil here, and it's 100% pure refined, and this is really good. We just used up one of these, so I got some more. These are condiment cups, and with the lids, there's 16 in here. I like these because I can measure out my little snacks for the day. I'll do that all usually today would be our prep day, so I'll do that tonight. I'll measure out our snacks so we have them for the week. But I do like to use these. Usually I put almonds in here. So, or I could do little things of cheese and stuff. So I got these Sure Fresh small round containers. These are just for me to be able to pack and for Stefano to go. So these ones are, it's 1 cup if you have just regular 1 cup, or 8 fluid ounces. So if you put anything liquid in there, it's 8 ounces or 1 cup, which is pretty good. I like them. And I got our regulars, our toilet paper, you know. They had the bounty back, so I got 2 of these as well. Stormy. I got some Tide. This is the Simple, Clean, and Fresh. So we need that for until we get to BJ's and get my regular laundry stuff there. So I just picked this up. Got some new gloves here. I needed these for doing dishes. They make my nails stay on longer. So, and I got the new Kiss nails on. I have a picture up on my Instagram of my new nails. I do a weekly nail picture, so you can see that if you follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to be doing like a small embellishment box swap. So I did pick up a little box out of the men's tool section. The only thing I didn't realize is that it has these like little lines up here. So I don't know how I would cover that, but I'm going to think of a way to cover that. Picked up another one of the ready set stamps, and these are the cactus. So I did pick up, I like to give these in friend mail. It's really nice, especially for people that can't find them. So I like to send that. It's nice and small, nice surprise. I got myself some butterflies. I'm making another, not this small embellishment box, but a different embellishment box. So I'm going to try to incorporate that with that box. I got some Sassy and Chic nails here. They're 12, and they are the pink and the gray with silver. Now, I think it's really pretty funny how Sassy and Chic, these are like, I know this design was also in Kiss, and then there's another nail design, which I'll show you in the pictures. That also, I wore them last week, and they are the same exact ones as the Kiss nails. The only difference is they don't have the glue backing. So that's the only difference. But I bought some of those glue backings from over on I forget what website I used, but I got them and they work pretty well. So I got those for myself. And I did pick up a little Kiss pink nail glue. This is going to my granddaughter though, because I did get her these two. She was just in the hospital over the weekend, not feeling very well, so I'm going to send her a little Get Better package, so make her feel pretty. So I got her these ones. I think I got her these ones before, and now I got her these ones. Kelsey, the baby of our family, she's the littlest one. And Pop Pop picked out this pen for her, so we are sending that to her. So she loves her Pop Pop. And I think that is about all, except for the makeup that I got. And I did pick up these 2 Rimmel lip products. Now, these are Stefano's glasses. I don't even know why I have them. This one is 01, and it doesn't have a color name to it. It just says color matches cap. That's all it says on there. So it doesn't have the name of it. So, they are intense color bombs, alluring colors, tender lips. So I got that one by Rimmel. And then I got this one. It's number 100, Give Me a Cuddle. So I'm going to try these. And then you could see the rest of the makeup that I found over there. There was a lot of Rimmel products, but I really don't need a lot of makeup. I have so much. Like, I don't think I ever have to buy makeup again, but we always do, don't we? That's just the downfall of us. Alright guys, that is it. The next video you probably will see will be our keto haul, and us talking more about the keto. There's a couple people that asked me to do some updates and some videos on it, so I am going to be working on that keto video for you. And as the Crest toothpaste that I've been using to whiten your teeth, I think it's really doing a great job. Every day I can tell a difference. My teeth, they're getting whiter and whiter. And the only thing is my gums are very sensitive. So that's all I have to say about that, because people have been asking me about it. My gums are a little sensitive right now. They're a little bit, like, not sore, but they're a little tender. So I cut down. I'm not doing the 2-day like it suggests. I'm only doing 1 because of the tenderness. And they feel really clean, and they are getting a lot whiter. So yep, I like it. So I did purchase 2 more packs of that, so I'm going to keep it on hand. If I find it again, I'll buy another 2, because you never know when it's going to stop. Okay, and I did forget to show you these lawn garden stakey things. These are so cute. I love this one. I want to get another one and take it off of the little thing, because I want to make a wreath out of it. And then I got this star, and they both say the same thing: "In God we trust." So I really like them. They didn't have a lot. They only had a few of them. I'm going to take a picture of outside and show you the other lawn stakes that I got from the Dollar Tree. They have 2 butterflies and a ladybug, and it's so cute. They have, you'll see the picture. Alright guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my links are below so that you can follow me. There's going to be a lot of updates on our keto change of our lifestyle. My garden is going to start going in. I'm going to be planting that this week sometime. And so don't forget to follow me over there, because I do live over there. I go live once in a while, and I talk to you guys for like 20-30 minutes. So please follow me on Instagram. And what else did I want to say? We're going to have some information this week sometime about the giveaway for my birthday. I'm very excited about that. That is coming up. I can't believe I'll be 51. It's coming up so fast. And what else? I don't think there's anything else, guys. Everything is pretty good. Oh, I did use the 10-minute gray color, to color your grays. It worked out pretty good. I did like it. It's not a permanent. I'm noticing that it's washing out pretty quickly, but I did use the 10-minute. It worked really well. And I mean, for $1, you can't beat that. If it's going to stay in for a couple weeks, I like that. So the only thing is, it had like a different, like I have a little bit darker and then lighter, which I don't mind. I think it looks nice. So guys, that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Stormy did not give herself a bath today. That's a first. I don't know. Well, the first time she did, so she's all clean now. Alright guys, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. And if you're interested in a keto lifestyle change, please let me know in the comments down below. Bye guys.